At that time, he told that how he had started movement against the British for the first time in India when he came back from South Africa. And in 1916, in the annual convention of Lucknow, a poor peasant Rajkumar Shukla came there. He was a sharecropper from Bihar, and he told Gandhi to accompany him so that they might get rid from the system that was very difficult. Under this system, they had to grow 15% indigo on land, and as a part of tax, they had to surrender it. So he told Gandhi, he insisted Gandhi to accompany him, but Gandhi told him that he had appointment at Kanpur, and at Kanpur he will accompany him. And at Kanpur, Rajkumar Shukla again met Gandhi, and he took Gandhi to Bihar. And first of all, they stayed at the house of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And he later on became the President of India. And the servant of Rajendra Prasad did not allow him to draw water from the well, as they thought him as an untouchable, and they didn't want that he should pollute the source. And then Gandhi stayed at the house of, wrote a letter to J.B. Kripalani, whom he had already met Shanti Niketan of Rabindranath Tagore at Calcutta. J.B. Kripalani welcomed him with a large body of people. And it was an extraordinary thing those days to harbor a revolutionary person like Gandhi at the house of a government teacher. However, Gandhi reached there. And he started working, and he started listening to them. And during that period, there was a clash between the peasant and peasant and the sharecropper. They wanted to get rid of the system because in the meantime, Germany had developed synthetic indigo. And so they had collected some money from peasant. And at that critical juncture, Gandhi reached there. Gandhi heard that a peasant was maltreated in Motihari, but Gandhi was not allowed to enter, and they thought him to be an outsider, and he was summoned a notice. And Gandhi appeared in the court. He didn't want to leave. For the conflict of duty, he found himself in dilemma. He didn't want to break the law. Secondary thing, he did not want to lead the peasant who were in bad condition. And now the morning found Motihari in black with peasant, and they had heard that a person and who came to help them was in difficulty. And when Rajendra Prasad asked them, and if Gandhi was in jail, who will accompany the movement? And they said unanimously that we will all fight together. Then they said that the Battle of Champaran was won. And in the meantime, and he had many meetings with Edward Gate, and he briefed them, and later on he was released without a charge. And at 25% they had agreed, 25% return they had agreed. Money was not the matter, but for the first time in history, British agreed on that point. And in the meantime, Mahadev Desai and Narahari Parikh, two men joined Gandhi. Then Gandhi started working some welfare measure over there with the help of the other person. And a person named Friar Andrews, who was a pacifist, and before leaving to Fiji, he wanted to join Gandhi, but Gandhi did not permit him because it was the fight against the British. That is the summary of the chapter, and I will upload the question here. Let's see.